What's up, guys? I'm Brandon.
I'm Kevin.
And we're here to show you guys a little quarantine cuisine. We're gonna cook a meal for about 8 guys for a little less than 30 bucks.
Hey, are we really cooking this?
Yeah, what do you mean? We got pork chops, we got mushrooms, we're gonna make a little mushroom asparagus casserole.
It's 7:30 at night. I'm hungry. I want to eat now.
I'm not putting soap
Make
on
sure
the
you
asparagus.
use soap and water on that.
Alright, so I just, roughly chopped
Is this oven
asparagus.
preheating?
Cap, you don't need to put it on yet.
We got pork to cook.
I'm roughly chopping asparagus. I got some mushrooms. I'm gonna saute them in a little olive oil, throw them in a casserole dish with some breadcrumbs and some Asiago.
375?
I'm gonna throw them in a casserole dish with a little breadcrumb and Asiago cheese and make a little casserole.
We forgot applesauce. You need applesauce for the pork chops.
Cap, I asked you to get one thing when we were there. Again, fucking Oreos and beef jerky. I asked you to get applesauce.
I told you we should have got Ziplocs.
I told you we would have breaded them by hand.
No. It's too much. I'm starving. Whoa, whoa. I'll be right back.
Throw a little salt in there. The salt's gonna pull all the moisture out of your mushrooms.
Jesus Christ.
I coughed because of pepper. You chewing? Are you chewing right now? Are those Mike and Ike's in your mask?
Yeah? I'm starving. Where are the potatoes?
Don't ask me to do this again. Don't ask me to do this again.
Alright guys, now I'm going to start doing the shake and bake with the pork chops. We're going to put them in the shake and bake, throw them in the oven, 350 for about 15-20 minutes.
Veggies are almost sauteed. I'm going to get them transferred over into a baking pan, get the casserole in the oven at the same time as the pork, and then move on to some mashed potatoes. All right, I'm almost done with these veggies. How you making them?
Yeah, can I get a delivery?
Cap.
Can I get a large steak and cheese calzone?
Cap, you're not ordering food right now. You're supposed to be making these pork chops. I'm almost done with the veggies. They're not even breaded.
Alright.
Cancel the delivery, please.
It's freaking 9 o'clock at night, Brandon. You said this was going to take 40 minutes.
It is not
Starving.
9 o'clock at night.
I am
We've
starving.
been cooking for 15 minutes. So first step in breading the pork chops, he's going to cut open the packets. He's already got the shake and bake set up. Let him know what you're going to do. I'll let him know what you should have already done.
Well, I'm going to start breading them and put them in the oven at what did you want it set at? 350 or 375?
It's at 375.
Well, I wanted 350. Who turned it up? You got fucking knives over here. Let's go.
Oh, no. Cap, can you come over here and clean this up and start the potatoes, please?
I'll be right there.
You'll be right where? What are you doing eating Oreos? Wood, stop distracting him.
You're the one over here stealing all my Oreos.
I'm feeling fainty.
Man, those Oreos were good.
Dude, I thought it's fucking 10 o'clock at night. Like,
It's not 10 o'clock at night.
starving. Alright guys, now we're going to make mashed potatoes real quick, do a quick cleanup. And we'll be on our way to victory hopefully soon because I'm starving.
I need this for the casserole. Can you stop eating everything and can you open up the potatoes?
He was not happy.
What happened to going to your haircuts?
Huh?
What happened to going to your haircuts?
Dude, why is my butt wet? Why is my butt wet?
Don't smell your hand. I'm looking at your watch right now to tell the temperature. Color it out. This is a sparkler. So now everything's done. Enjoy.
Yeah, at 11:30 at night.
45 minutes.
If you guys like our channel, click, subscribe, smash that like button. You want more videos? You need a lot more views.
I don't think I'm doing another one with them.